Made to Order Live is our new printing experience, where we bridge the real world and the virtual world. An event in which I print shirts in real time as orders come in. It's super easy to participate and should be a lot of fun. Sundays from 1 to 4 Eastern, I go live from the Mumbles studio. How does it work? Well, you start by selecting one of our hand-dyed tees available on our website. Then you pick your graphic, place your order, and I print it for you during the live session. I love screen printing, and I want to bring more of that to the shirts we make. Each shirt is created just for you. We keep it simple so the work stays focused and the product stays personal. In an industry that runs on volume, this feels better. It's slower and more intentional, with a result that feels real, not just to me while I'm making it, but also for you when it lands on your doorstep. With MTO Live, you get to be part of the process that makes Mumbles what it is. It's a more hands-on experience in the flat landscape of online shopping. Subscribe on YouTube and join the newsletter Mumbles for updates, early access, and weekly batch previews. Shirts are limited and sold first come, first served. If you want to pre-order ahead of the live session, Mumbles sends the list out early. Or just tune in to hang out and watch some screen printing. Hope you see me there.